Hi, welcome to Coding Bible channel. Today we will install the software that we need in our course. First we need Node.js, so you can write Node.js download in Google, then choose download here. Okay, you can choose the file that is suitable for your operating system. Okay, for me I will use Windows installer for 64-bit because my system is 64-bit. If you want to know, you just open start menu and then write about, then choose about. You can find this in system type. Okay, then click here to download it. I have already downloaded, so I will not download it again. Then VS Code. Okay, click here, choose the file according to your operating system. Okay, if you click here, you will be redirected to another page to download it, but I have already downloaded. Okay, then get download. Okay, and you can choose your operating system. Then you click here for me download for Windows, and it have already detected that my system is 64-bit, so I can click here. Okay, and I have already downloaded. Okay, now we will install them. Okay, for me, because I already have Node.js, I can change or repair or remove or whatever. But if you don't have Node.js installed on your device, then just click next until you find install and install it. That's it. Then the VS Code. Okay, as you can see, just accept and next and then install. Okay, let's start with get. Also, you just click next until you find install, and that's it. It's very easy. Okay, don't have to change anything. Let's open VS Code. Okay, we will need some extensions. The first one and the very important one that we need is Angular language service, which is already created by Angular team. Okay, and it's very important to get some recommendations from VS Code while you're writing code in HTML template. Okay, and this is very important for us. Angular support is just show you where is the code for your functions or variable in the class. If you write it in the template like here, or if you use any variable or functions in your template, then this tool will show you where is this variable or functions in your code. Okay, Console Ninja shows you the result of console statement in VS Code, and you don't need to open the browser to see it. Okay, I will talk about these extensions in a different video when I will explain to you the files and the folders that you found in your project. Okay, ESLint is extensions that help you enforce your style or code format or code style. Okay, so your team have to follow it. Okay, for example, if you only need to use, for example, single quote in your classes, and you don't need or you don't want to use double quotes, for example, it can enforce this for you. Okay, so this is just a way to tell your friends or your team the code style you want. Okay, and then Tempo shows you the indentation levels like this with colors. Okay, IntelliSense for CSS class, it shows you CSS class recommendations in your HTML code. We don't need live server. Material icon theme give your or each file icon according to its type. For example, if you're using Angular files like this, you will find this icon. Okay, code formatter is responsible for code formatting. Okay, I will use Prettier code formatter to format my code, and Prettier ESLint, it's the same like ESLint. Okay, This is actually looks like the Code Ninja extension. This extension just show you or differentiates the Angular syntax that we use in Angular templates. Okay, just showing you colors like this as the image show. Okay, and this is all what we need in this video, and thank you for watching.